So I'm at the ASUS booth and I'm trying out the ROG X-Real R1 AR gaming glasses. That's a whole lot to say in one sentence there. Collaboration between ROG, ASUS, and XReal, who makes a lot of these AR gaming glasses, AR glasses in general. And one of the first things that I noticed was how light they feel on your face. They were the right weight. It's about 91 grams of weight. And somebody that wears glasses all the time, you know, if it's just not that right feel, if it's a little bit heavier than it needs to be, then it's kind of creates an uncomfortable feeling, an uncomfortable experience. So I'm kind of glad that how these felt right on my face immediately. Allows you to get more immersed in the experience, because these are some beautiful displays they have inside these glasses. They are 240 Hz refresh rate, full 1080p, and they're also micro OLED. So you get a nice sort of great crisp view and experience. And I wish I could show that to you directly. I just want to put the lenses up onto the glasses. I don't think that really does justification for the whole experience, because it does have a nice sort of 57-degree field of view. So you basically, it takes pretty much what the human view normally is and just kind of immerses you all the way in that. And you can get up to 171 inch in terms of a virtual display, which is pretty cool. And just it allows you to kind of relax, get into the game, sit into it, and just kind of be in the game, like just be present in the game, I guess, so to speak. And what's really nice, also nice about this, is that it does have this anchor mode, which allows you to kind of anchor where that field or where that virtual monitor sort of is. And one of the things I really liked was that you kind of anchor it in the center. And if you look left or you look right, it'll kind of clear up so you can see the real world around you. And it kind of does it pretty instantly, which is pretty cool. It does come with RGB on the side. Obviously, I have to talk about that. It's USB Type-C, so it can plug into things like your phone, tablets, your ROG Ally, and other sort of gaming handhelds, but it does come with this dock as well. And this dock allows you to plug other devices that don't necessarily have a USB-C type device, like a gaming console, like an Xbox, and I'm pretty sure some other ones probably be supported and be able to work well, and you can use that as well. This is a pretty cool immersive experience that I've seen with this. We don't necessarily have the pricing on this right now. We do know it's going to be coming out the first half of 2026. So we'll just have to wait and see what this is going to be. But I can see myself using these glasses and really trying these out. Like I said, they were very comfortable on my face. I really like the viewing experience from them, from my testing. And it seems like you can use it for various different applications to really get good use out of it. So I definitely can't wait to check this out. Let me know what you guys think, questions, comments, concerns. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition. Thanks for watching.